This is Phinixx Goa, your one-stop delivery solution. Welcome to our Phinixx App tutorial series. In this first tutorial, we'll guide you through the registration process. Let's get started. First, open the app and head to the bottom of the screen, where you'll find the More section. Next, click on Login and you'll see the option to create an account. This is where you'll fill in your details, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a strong password for your account. Don't forget to read our terms and conditions carefully and click on the checkbox to agree. Once you've filled out the registration page, it's time to click on Create Account button. You will receive an OTP on the phone number you provided to verify your account. Take a moment to enter the OTP and successfully create your account. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy hassle-free ordering through Phinixx App. If you were referred by a friend or family, don't forget to add their unique referral code on the registration page while filling in your details. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in with various ways. Let's go through them one by one. You can directly log in using your phone number by using OTP. Enter your phone number and then you'll receive an OTP. Enter the OTP to verify and log in easily. Alternatively, you can log in using your email ID and password that you had set during registration. If you had registered using Gmail, simply click on the Sign in using your Gmail account button and choose your Gmail ID to log in quickly. If you had registered using Facebook, use the Log in using Facebook button to log in using your Facebook account. And, if you had registered using your Apple ID, then you can use the Sign in with Apple ID to log in directly through your iOS device. By using any of these methods, you can seamlessly log into your account and enjoy hassle-free ordering. Now, if you are new to Phinixx and have just registered, the first thing to do is to add your delivery address to your address book on the app. To add a new delivery address, go to the More section and select the Delivery Addresses option. Then, click on the plus button on the bottom right corner. Firstly, write a label for the type of address you are adding like home, office, etc. Then, you have to mark your GPS location for seamless and accurate delivery. You can either type a location or select the Pick on Map option to drop a pin on the map accurately at your delivery location. Once the delivery location is accurately selected, confirm it. Then, add your address description for your address, like flat or house number, floor, building name, and landmark, for hassle-free delivery. Finally, once all your details are filled, click on the Save button to add the address to your address book. Now you can select any of the addresses from your address book when you want to place a delivery order.